Welcome to the Rescheck blog, brought to you by www.rescheck.info. Today, we would like to speak to you about the IECC 2018 Rescheck Web PDF error messages that are now repaired. If you'd like to read along, you can go to www.rescheck.info, go to the Rescheck blog, got all this information there, free of charge. On the Rescheck blog, our goal is to keep you up with all things technically related to Rescheck. That includes errors, error messages, and troubleshooting of Rescheck Web and Rescheck desktop software. Yesterday around 10 a.m., Rescheck Web began generating an error message. In today's blog post of the Rescheck blog, we want to discuss the resolution of this issue and exactly what was happening within the Rescheck Web software yesterday afternoon. The most recent issue within Rescheck Web was isolated to Rescheck Web and did not interfere with Rescheck Desktop. This error also only affected users creating IECC 2018 Rescheck, since Rescheck Web is the only software offering from the Department of Energy that currently offers the functionality of IECC 2018. Anyone who needed to create a Rescheck using a state-specific code like Utah, North Carolina, New York, or an IECC 2009, IECC 2012, or IECC 2015 Rescheck during the down period had other options. You could take any project using a code other than IECC 2018 and create the Rescheck on Rescheck Desktop. It is always a good idea to keep a working version of Rescheck Web and Rescheck Desktop if you are serious about creating DIY Reschecks. This way, if you get jammed on a do-it-yourself Rescheck, you can toggle between the two softwares and see if the error makes itself more fixable within the other version. If you were trying to create an IECC 2018 Rescheck yesterday, all the calculations worked just fine. However, when you went to generate a PDF, an error message populated the screen. There were several workarounds attempted, such as using Microsoft Edge and switching to Chrome, trying different IECC codes within Rescheck Web, a different Wi-Fi and cellular hotspot connection to create the Rescheck. None of these solutions create a suitable long-term result that would allow Rescheck Web to generate a PDF of a completed project. The only true solution ended up being to wait. Save your project properly, and upon waking up and checking Rescheck Web, the PDF functionality of Rescheck Web was back up and working. Not much consolation to anyone trying to create their own do-it-yourself Rescheck yesterday using IECC 2018, but sometimes I imagine even the Department of Energy needs to update, fix, and repair their online Rescheck creation software, Rescheck Web. Yesterday just happened to be that day. Rescheck Web is back up and working as of now, so the ability of any DIY Rescheck creator to operate freely has been restored. Simply log into Rescheck Web and create your Rescheck as normal. If you still have trouble creating your Rescheck, you can email your plans to service@rescheck.info. We'll get you taken care of. Typical process takes about 4 to 6 hours. We need a PDF of your plans, job site address, square footage. You can go to www.rescheck.info, submit plans there in the lower screen. Upper left-hand side, click that Buy Now button. That'll take you to the checkout page. You'll just go add your Rescheck to the cart. Then you are ready to go. Thanks again for listening to the Rescheck blog.